did you do?
I spilled a little bit of oil.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're gonna be doing a stud conversion on my car. Michael here was topping up my oil and he spilled some.
Just a little bit. I just need to add a little bit more.
Alright, so this is the first time actually taking the wheels off this car and they are way over torqued, right?
So I'm using this as
The breaker bar.
Oh, this one wasn't too bad.
Okay, just the front one then.
Yeah, a couple of bolts on the front one. About 3 of them. What do you guys think? Just taking the wheels off, slapping it on this bad boy right here.
Michael wants to take my wheels and put them on his car and take his wheels and put them on my car. But I don't want black wheels, right?
I would rather prefer like bronze or silver on black.
Yeah, I like bronze wheels. If you guys saw, my Jeep had bronze wheels on it. All right, right here on this table, I have everything that I'm gonna need. We obviously have the studs, some permanent thread Loctite. We have the lug bolts, some wire brushes to clean inside of where the studs go, and some brake cleaner.
We're gonna do 2 at a time.
So we'll put a jacks in here and then jack up the back as well.
No.
Oh.
It should lift up the rear.
So you'll do one and I'll do one.
We can do that, yeah. That'll work. Oh.
Whoa.
Rusted.
Like I said, we've never taken these wheels off before, so this is our first time
All
really
these bolts,
inspecting
honestly,
everything.
they
But yeah,
rust
look at
pretty
that.
bad.
Holy cow.
Yeah, that's pretty bad. I mean, my bolts. Well, you can't see my bolts.
Oh yeah, yours is
I'm already in stuck conversion.
We can also really get a good look at the brakes too.
I think the brakes are good, honestly. But yeah, you
All
should be
of
able to get a
these.
good look.
Look at all of those.
Yeah, those are all rusted. Good thing you can't really see them.
All right, let's see this.
Oh, this is stuck
It's
on.
stuck on.
I've never had my wheels stuck on before, but it's not too bad.
There we go.
Brakes, maybe she has a year left, maybe less.
They're not too bad. They got a little life left on them.
Here, let's check out these. See how bad they were. Yeah, these.
They're just as bad as the front ones.
I mean, my bolts weren't as bad as these.
Guys, Michael was leaving 11s in my car the other day. And then this brake pad looks about the same as the front. So,
Is it really?
yeah.
Let me see. That's all. Yeah, it's about the same.
All right, the first step here is gonna be to clean your surface and then in here where the studs are gonna go. So I have a couple of wire brushes and some brake cleaner. This is all clean. I'm gonna take the studs that I'm putting in and add some Loctite on it. And then I will screw them in by hand and let it sit for a few minutes before I actually torque it down. All of these are now in and they're hand tight. Just a tip for you if you're doing these, this little bigger part here should go inside. It shouldn't be sticking out. The front has been sitting for a few minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and torque it down to 25 foot-pounds. All right, we got both sets of studs now torched down. Michael is working on putting the front wheel back on, but I wanted to show you guys these BBS lug bolts that we have. These are so light, like literally paperweight. Like they have no weight to them. They're super nice. And also, these studs are gonna stick out so far because I don't run a spacer.
But the fitment is good though.
Yeah,
on these wheels,
I don't need a spacer, but yeah, the studs stick out so far. It's funny.
I mean, you could add like a 5mm or 10 8mm spacer
I think
bar.
10 would be too much. And just like that, we are done. This job is super easy, super convenient to do. Helps you if you ever want to run a different size wheel or a different spacer, anything like that. You don't have to worry about the length of your bolts or it touching your parking brake in the rear. Michael ordered them for me from eBay?
No.
Oh.
No eBay stuff.
No eBay stuff.
Venom Wheel.
Venom Wheels.
Yeah. VenomWheel.com.
So this job took what, like an hour, you would say?
Yeah.
From start to finish, and that includes filming and cleanup and everything. I'll go ahead and close out the video here. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. Also, one more reminder, let your car sit for at least 24 hours. That way the Loctite can fully cure before you start driving it. You don't want to drive it while the Loctite is wet.